Hello everyone, Hikaru Tsuyokata here, and thank you for 53 subscribers. This is my milestone achievement, so I just want to celebrate it for myself. Syempre, from gym to kimbab bibimbap. Syempre, that's a good diet for me. Pero as a tech content creator is syempre napakahirap being a student. Syempre, you have to study first. And the same time, I just roam around SM watching those smartphones and the same time just, you know, ano tawag doon is, yung demo units is lagi ko siyang tinetest and the same time review. I mean, just a glimpse review. Syempre, hindi ko siya full review kasi wala akong experience sa smartphone na yon. But anyway, is that, okay, I am open for sponsorships. Pero, sana, sponsorships, no? But I'm okay with it. I'm good sa ganitong achievement. Again, I'm very good sa achievement. I'm sorry I cannot explain, pero I am very happy that you are all watching with me, guys. So right now is that I am going to enhance my content even more. But syempre, I'm not good with editing, pero I stay managed to review may with my own script. I made my own script para dito with all those criticisms. Syempre, that's the important thing about review is just criticisms. And that's it. Happy na ako doon. 53 subscribers. I guess we should still accelerate more around maybe 100 or maybe 1,000 subscribers if I do. Pero syempre, napaka-busy rin kasi student ako, study, like I said. But I am proud. And for you viewers watching as well. So, ano mga content ang gusto ko gagawin? Pero of course, I'm open for sponsorships. Lahat sa'yo, I'm open for sponsorships and I'm open for everything that I could do just to review one smartphone. I am Delphin Mansell and see you there.